Hi, thank you for your interest in lakeFS. My name is Guy, and I'm going to walk you through the Getting Started with lakeFS tutorial. So first thing, let's go to the docs. Okay, this is our docs page, docs.lakefs.io, and we'll go to the quick start section, this one. There are two options for quick starting. One is using the Docker Compose, and the other one is the manual installation. We're going to choose using Docker Compose. So the first thing we'll need to do is copy this into a Docker Compose YAML file. So let's do that. Docker Compose YAML. Okay, it's already there. And we're going to do Docker Compose up. And that's it. We have lakeFS running. The next thing is to go to the setup page. So we'll just click this link over here and create our first user. We'll call it demo user and click on setup. That's it. We've created a user. Now we have our access key and secret key, exactly like in S3. It's very important to keep them somewhere safe because you won't be able to generate them again. So we're going to copy them and keep them over here. Okay, let's go to the login page. Enter our credentials and login. Okay, now let's create our first repository. Our repository is equivalent to an S3 bucket, just with capabilities of committing, merging, branching, and that's what we're going to show you now. So let's create a repository. We'll call it example. Storage namespace would be demo, and the default branch is going to be master. Create the repository. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is upload an object. Let's click on upload object, choose an object, put it under IMDb directory, and upload. Okay, once we've uploaded the file, we could commit the changes, and we'll call it first commit. Okay, we could go to the commit tab, and now we could see all our commits. We have only two now. It's the repository created and the first commit. And we could go to the branches tab. We could see our branch master, and we could create a new branch. Let's click on create a new branch. We'll call it branch 1. And we could select our source branch, call it master. Now we created the branch. So now we could see we have two branches. And we could go to the objects tab, and we could choose now what branch we're looking at. So we could choose branch 1, and it has the same file as in master because it got out of master. Now I've created a Spark job to run on this branch just for the demo. Let's go see it. Okay, lakeFS is API compatible, so using lakeFS, running a Spark job on lakeFS is exactly like running a Spark job on S3. The only thing you need to know is you need to use the repo and the branch in the path. So the path would be S3A repository / branch / the key to the object. Okay, So, and one more thing we need to know is we need to use the access key and secret key as the lakeFS access key and secret key, and not the S3 access key and secret key. So we put them somewhere safe. Let's copy them again. Let's also copy the environment variables, and we're gonna run export access key export the secret key, okay, and we're gonna run the Spark job. Okay, so let's go back to lakeFS, and as we could see, our branch is isolated. So we could see all the changes going on in our branch, and if we go back to master, there's no changes going on there. Okay, so let's go back to our branch, still working. Let's look at the Spark job. We'll wait for it to end. Shouldn't take too much time. Okay, that's it. So we could refresh, and now we could see it ended. We could check all the changes, verify that everything's okay, and then commit our changes. We'll call it partitions. Okay, let's also delete this file. We don't need it anymore. Commit that also. We could see all our commits over here. And now let's compare with master. So compare branch 1 with master, and we could see all our changes. This file was deleted. These files were added, and we could choose to merge back once we know everything is okay. So we'll merge it into master and click yes. That's about it. Let's go back to master, and we could see all our files. We could see that the other file was deleted, and that's it. You just completed your first merge in lakeFS. For more information, you could check out the docs. It has detailed information about deployment, branching models, our architecture, and other applications we support, and there's more to come. If you have any questions or special requests, feel free to reach out directly or join us on our Slack channel. Thank you for your time.